Hi guys, I am here outside my room. My room is called Deluxe Suite Outdoor Spa, and this is on the third floor. We got it for a good deal. There's a promotion here at Shangri-La because of the health crisis. Actually, all over Thailand right now, they offer you good discounts for foreigners. You will get 1,000 baht discount in every hotel all over Thailand. I do not know when it will last, but you can check it out. So let me give you a tour what we got here. Cheers. Keep smiling, keep shining. So this is my view outside my room. It's on the third floor, and there's also a tennis court here. This is in Shangri-La, Chiang Mai. Lovely spa here. It's kind of old design because it has been here for many years already. But it's still a 5-star, and they really provide a good service, just like in Shangri-La Matan, Cebu, Philippines. This is my second Shangri-La that I have experienced. So this is it, guys. I'm home alone. Danny is with Little and Nut, and Bon just flew back to Bangkok last night. So if you are in Thailand already, then you want to come to Chiang Mai, then you may want to consider Shangri-La. So this is it for now. Till my next vlog. Give love and receive love. Just keep on shining and don't forget to smile. Cheers!